Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move your taskbar icons on Windows 11 to the left. You must have seen that Windows 11 is now showing all the icons on a taskbar at the center, but some people don't like it. Maybe if you want to make it similar to your prior versions of Windows, like Windows 10, to the left, we have an option available to do that. But before that, let me tell you one thing, that Windows 11 is now has removed the option to make our taskbar to the left, right, or at the top. That option is removed by Microsoft. You can do it using the registry options by changing the registry settings, but if you want, I will cover those in upcoming videos. But for now, how to make or how to move your taskbar icons to the left from the center. For that, right click to the taskbar, select taskbar settings, scroll down, and now you see the taskbar behavior group here. Click on that. The very first taskbar alignment is now shows at center, and just change it to the left. You see, it's moved to the left, and you can again make it to the center. And that's it. This is how we can move our taskbar icons from center to the left in Windows 11. Thank you very much friends for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, do let me know in comments and give a thumbs up to this video, and please subscribe our channel if you want to see similar contents in future. Don't forget to click all notification button so that you will get the notification whenever I will upload the new video. Thank you very much. Keep learning.